Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to shorten a mesh Milanese strap. So as you can see here we have the stainless steel bracelet, and I want to move this clasp from here towards the case of the watch. And in order to do that, I'm going to need a tool that can be inserted right here. So it can be a flat screwdriver that is, let's say, small or medium, depending on the watch that you have. You can also use a watchmaker's tool, for example, the spring bar removal tool, in order to insert it right here and to lift this flap up. And now I can actually slide the clasp up and down, so I can shorten it. I can also move it the other way. Once you have reached the correct sizing, make sure to push the flap in. You are going to feel and hear a click, and in case you can't do it with your bare hands, you can also use the tool in the opposite direction in order to push it down all the way. And now we have shortened our bracelet, and as you can see, now it is going to be very tight. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, also leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on the YouTube channel. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.